All right, viewers, we're shifting our focus now to some big news coming in. This is related to the VP oath taking, and now it looks like Rahul Gandhi has skipped that oath taking ceremony. That piece has been confirmed. The BJP is calling it anti-democratic. Basically, BJP claiming and saying that Rahul Gandhi has boycotted the official vice presidential swearing-in ceremony. The BJP claiming and saying that this act, now the BJP claims, they say, is anti-India. They say the swearing in of constitutional dignitary has been skipped by Rahul Gandhi. BJP says, and I quote, Rahul Gandhi has a time to go to a holiday in Malaysia, but not official constitutional function. Then the BJP goes on to attack Rahul Gandhi, upping the ante. The BJP says Rahul Gandhi is dangerous for democracy. Rahul Gandhi opposes the Indian state. That is the attack coming in from the side of the BJP. The BJP calling that move by Rahul Gandhi anti-democratic. Niyamika, my colleague, joining us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, isn't it breaking protocol? The LOP Rahul Gandhi not attending the vice presidential oath-taking ceremony?
Well, yes, indeed, as the leader of opposition is expected to present during the swearing-in ceremony which has taken place in the Rashtrapati Bhavan for the vice presidential post, as it is being informed by the sources within the Congress party that Rahul Gandhi is going to be in Junagadh today, as he is going to address a conference and the training program of the District Congress Committee presidents in the state of Gujarat, and that is the only reason why he was being unable to attend this swearing-in ceremony of the vice president, as his flight is scheduled for 11:30 a.m. in the morning, in which he is going to be leave from the national capital for Junagadh in a special flight, and that is the only reason why only the leader of opposition in Rajya Sabha, Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, was there in this swearing-in ceremony. However, now it has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise a question upon the Congress party that why, being the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi has skipped this swearing-in ceremony, because it is against the constitution as well, and they are also saying that Rahul Gandhi has time to go on a vacation, but he is not being present there as a leader of opposition when the vice president was taking oath. So clearly, it seems like a war of words is going to begin from now onwards, because now Rahul Gandhi...
Absolutely, you're right. It has led to a massive slugfest, a big war of words. The BJP is already claiming that the Congress is undermining, the constitution, the democratic traditions by boycotting such an important constitutional event. Was Rahul Gandhi's absence deliberate snub to the Institute of Vice President? Well, the BJP thinks so. Listen in to what the BJP has had to say on this entire controversy.
संविधान और संवैधानिक पदों का अपमान, यही बन चुकी है राहुल गांधी की पहचान। राहुल गांधी जी विदेश में तो प्रोटोकॉल सिक्योरिटी का तोड़ते हैं, पर देश का भी प्रोटोकॉल तोड़ते हैं। सोचिए ना, आज वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का इलेक्शन हुआ, जो भी हो, आपका प्रत्याशी हारा भी हो, आपके 15 वोट जो है वो कम हो गए हो, इसका मतलब ये थोड़ी है कि आप बहिष्कार कर देंगे। देश के सेकंड हाईएस्ट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल पोजीशन की बात थी, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्शन, और जब एक तमिलनाडु के व्यक्ति, एक ओबीसी समाज के व्यक्ति उपराष्ट्रपति वाइस प्रेसिडेंट बनते हैं, तो इतना वैमनस्य, इतना नफरत राहुल गांधी करते कि उन्होंने इस इवेंट का ही बॉयकॉट कर दिया। और वैसे तो उन्होंने बॉयकॉट किया है इंडिपेंडेंस डे प्रोग्राम का भी रेड फोर्ट पे, वैसे राहुल गांधी रिपब्लिक डे के प्रोग्राम का भी बॉयकॉट करते हैं। जनता आपको बॉयकॉट कर देगी, बिहार को गाली देंगे, प्रधानमंत्री की माताजी को गाली देंगे, संवैधानिक पदों का अपमान करेंगे, एटम बॉम्ब, हाइड्रोजन बॉम्ब की बात करेंगे, संवैधानिक पदों के खिलाफ षड्यंत्र रचेंगे, और उसके अंदर विदेशी ताकतें और हाथ शामिल होंगे, और संवैधानिक पदों के ऊपर इस प्रकार का लालचन लगाते हुए उसके इवेंट का या उसके प्रोसीजरल और प्रोटोकॉल वाले इवेंट का भी बॉयकॉट करेंगे। ये राहुल गांधी की असली मानसिकता है।